Drift by Dittmann in 40 by 56 cm squares. Special treatment starts with snow pearls that we've sprinkled in the white flowers. So sprinkle them in the lightest areas of the white flowers around her. By Dittmann, size 40 by 56 cm squares, version 2 special treatment now adds violet pearls that we have sprinkled in the middle of the white flowers. So simply sprinkle it in the middle of the white flowers, that's purple. Drift by Dittmann in 40 by 56 cm squares now adds dark forest crystals that we have sprinkled in the dark purple area in the background. So choose the area in the background that you would like to highlight with some additional sparkle for your dark forest crystals. And this is version 3 for Drift.